Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. English summary, Book 2, Lecture 1, Part B1. I have confidence that you have understood the concept of Jumlatul Ismiya very well. In Jumlatul Ismiya, we always look for Mubtada and Khabar. And we know Khabar is of 5 types. We must remember when the word Khabar will come, it can be of 5 types. Later on, we will have Khabar Kana, Khabar Laisa, and all these things will come. If we know the concept of Khabar can be of 5 types, things become very easy. Khabar can be Mufrid, one word. When it is Mufrid, one word, it is always Marfu. Al-Kitabu Jadidun. Al-Kitabu is Mubtada and Jadidun is Khabar. Al-Qur'anu Kitabullahi. Al-Qur'anu Mubtada, Kitabu is Khabar, wa huwa mudaf, and Allahi is mudaf ilayh. The Khabar is Marfu because it is one word. Muhammadun Rasulullahi. Muhammadun is Mubtada, Rasulu is Khabar, wa huwa mudaf, and Allahi is mudaf ilayh. Rasulu, one word, Khabar, Marfu. Al-Kitabu al-Maktabi. Al-Kitabu Mubtada and Al-Maktabi Jar Majroor Shubu Jumla Khabar. Al-Kitabu Tahatal Kursi. Al-Kitabu Mubtada, Tahato Khabar, Tahato Zarf Shubu Jumla Khabar, and Al-Kursi Mudaf ilayh. Hamidun Zahaba ilal Masjidi. Hamid went to the masjid. This is the example of Jumlatul Failure coming as Khabar. Hamidun is Mubtada. What is the Khabar about Hamidun? Zahaba ilal Masjidi is the Khabar. It is complete Jumlatul Failure. What we do look in Jumlatul Failure, we look for fail and fa'il. Zahaba is fail and fa'il is mustatir taqdiruhu huwa. It is within Zahaba. And ilal masjidi is jar majroor. Hamidun lahu salasatu abna'in. Hamid, he has 3 sons. Example of Jumlatul Ismiya coming as Khabar. Hamidun is Mubtada. What is the Khabar for Hamidun? Lahu salasatu abna'in is the Khabar. It is complete Jumlatul Ismiya. What do we look in Jumlatul Ismiya? We look for Mubtada and Khabar. Lahu jar majroor shubu jumla khabar muqaddam. Salasatu Mubtada muakhar wa huwa mudaf, and abna'in is mudaf ilayh. Hamidun akhuhu tabib. Hamid, his brother is a doctor. Example of Jumlatul Ismiya coming as Khabar. Hamidun Mubtada. What is the Khabar? Akhuhu tabibun is the Khabar. It is complete Jumlatul Ismiya. What do we look in Jumlatul Ismiya? We look for Mubtada and Khabar. Akhu is Mubtada muakkar wa huwa mudaf, and tabibun is Khabar. What inna does? Inna enters Jumlatul Ismiya. It makes Mubtada mansoob, and Mubtada is no longer called Mubtada. It becomes Ismu Inna. So if there is Ismu Inna, then there will be Khabru Inna. With Inna, we can join Zamair when you join Zamair with inna, because inna makes the ism mansoob, then the Zamair becomes mansoob. If you say innahu, inna is harfu tawqeedin wa nasbin, and who is ismu inna mansoob. Hamidun talibun. Hamidun is mubtada and talibun is khabar. Inna hamidan talibun. Hamidun से hamidan हो गया मंसूब. Inna harfu tawqeed wa nasbin. Hamidan ismu inna, I would say mansoob. And talibun is khabar inna. Huwa talibun, huwa mubtada and talibun is khabar. Innahu talibun. Inna is harfu tawqeed wa nasbin. Who is ismu inna mansoob and talibun is khabar. Let us put 14 zamair with inna. Innahu, innahuma, innahum, innaha, innahuma, innahunna, innaka, innakuma, innakum, innaki, innakuma, innakunna. Inni or innani. Inna. All these zamair, because they have joined with inna, they became ismu inna and they are now mansoob. Ad-Darsul Awwalu, lesson number 1. With this, the initial part, I think, till Zulu Khalaqin. We will do it again, inshallah. We will analyze also, and we will translate also. And you will write also, definitely. Hashim, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Rahmatullahi, mudaf, mudaf lahi. Barakatuh, mudaf, mudaf lahi. Al-Mudarris, wa alaikum assalamu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hashim, कैफा हालुका या उस्ताजु लाल्लका बिखैर. How are you, my teacher? Hope you are well. Inna has sisters. Ikhwatu inna. Sisters of inna. Lalla is one of them. They behave exactly like inna. So, lallaka bikhair. Lalla is ikhwatu inna. Ka is ismu lalla mansoob. And bikhairin is jar majroor, shubu jumla, khabar, la'alla. Let us put 14 zamair with la'alla. La'allahu, la'allahuma, la'allahum, la'allaha, la'allahuma, la'allahunna, la'allaka, la'allakuma, la'allakum, la'allaki, la'allakuma, la'allakunna, la'alli, la'allana. Mudarris. Alhamdulillah, thanks to Allah. Alhamdu is mubtada, lillahi is jar majroor, shubu jumla, khabar. Wa kaifa haluka anta ya Hashim, and how are you, O Hashim? Anta normally comes in the beginning. Here it is used for emphasis. Here anta is tawqeed. Hashim, ana uhibbuka kasiran. I love you a lot. Ana is mubtada, uhibbu is fi'l mudari, ka is maf'ulun bihi, object, and kasiran is maf'ulun mutlaq, absolute object. We have not yet done fi'l mudari, nor maf'ulun bihi, nor maf'ulun mutlaq. But we should know that maf'ulun bi and maf'ulun mutlaq, they are mansoob. Ahubbuka kasiran is jumlatul fi'liya and it is khabar for anna. Innaka talibun zakiyun wa mujtahidun wa zu khuluqin. Truly you are a very intelligent and diligent student and possessor of good character. Inna is harfu tawqeedin wa nasbin, ka is ismu inna mansoob, talibun is khabar. inna. Zakiyun is naat, waw is harfu at. Mujtahidun is ma'tufun ala zakiyun, that is, it is also naat. Waw is harfu at, zu is ma'tufun ala zakiyun, wa huwa mudaf. Zu is always mudaf, and it will be followed by mudaf layhi. Zu over here is also naat, and khuluqin is mudaf layhi. We have so far studied ayu and kullu, and now we study zu. They will come as mudaf, and they will be mudaf layhi. If you really want to understand, well, you have to watch that zu, which is a mudaf, can come as a naat and can come as a khabar. In whatever way it comes, khabar or naat, it will have mudaf layhi. Amin Pakistana anta am min al-Hindi ya Hashim. I is ismo istifham, used for asking questions. And aw means or, used to choose between two possibilities. Is only used in question, and aw is used in a statement. When you use a question and you have to use or, you will use And when you have to say a statement and you have to use or, you will use aw. I want to explain you what is so special about it. Min Pakistana anta am min al-Hindi ya Hashim. In a sentence, when you are not sure and you ask a question and you state two things, this or that. Because you are not sure, in Arabic language, the two things which you want to inquire about, the first thing will come after a. Here it is, the first thing is min Pakistan. And the second thing is min al-Hindi. These two things you are inquiring, then immediately after a, the first thing will come. I will say, Amin Pakistana, then anta will come. And then after the second thing will come, min al-Hindi. Number one, I am inquiring about min Pakistana. Number two, I am inquiring about min al-Hindi. And we have ism istifham and In English, we will say, are you from Pakistan or India? Pakistan and India came together with or dividing them. Can I say the same thing in Arabic? Anta min Pakistana am min al-Hindi. I can say that, but that will be wrong. Very poor Arabic. The eloquent Arabic will be that we divide those two things. We bring first thing soon after a and the second thing after I do not know whether this thing is a masjid or a school. They look same. So if I say hadha masjidun am madrasatun, that will be incorrect. Masjidun hadha am madrasatun is the correct Arabic. In English, we will say, is this a masjid or a school? Masjid and school came together. In Arabic, we will say, masjidun hadha am madrasatun. Not hadha masjidun am madrasatun. Amin Pakistana anta am min al-Hindi ya Hashim. Are you from Pakistan or India? Hashim, inni min al-Hindi. Surely I am from India. Inni is two words. Inna is harfu taqeedin wa nasbin, and ya mutakallim is ismu inna mansoob. And min al-Hindi is jar majroor shubu jumla khabar inna. المدرس وزميلك الذي خرج معك الآن من الفصل هو أيضا من الهند. Are your colleague who just left from the class with you, is he also from India? We are not going to analyze this because normally we do not analyze questions. Hashim, La, innahu minan Pakistan. No, surely he is from Pakistan. La is harf jawab, innahu towards, inna harf taqeed wa nasbin, and who ismu inna mansoob. Min Pakistana jar majroor shubu jumla khabar inna. Al-Mudarris inna sa'ataka jamilatun ya Hashim. Min al-Yabana hiya. Hiya min Yabana will be wrong. Surely your watch is beautiful, O Hashim. Is it from Japan? Inna حرف توكيد ونسب. ساعة اسم إن منصوب وهو مضاف. کا is مضاف إليه and طالب is خبر إن. هاشم لا إنها من الهند. No, surely it is from India. لا is حرف جواب. إنها towards. إن حرف توكيد ونسب and ha ismu inna mansoob. And min al hindi is jar majroor shubbu jumla khabar inna. Al mudarris aghaliyatun hiya am rakhisatun. Is it expensive or low priced? Hiya ghaliyatun am rakhisatun will be wrong Arabic. Between and the two things we are inquiring, first thing will come immediately after and then the second thing will come after and everything else in between. This construction is very important to keep in mind. Hashim, innaha rakhisatun jiddan. Innaha bimiati rubiyatin faqat. Surely it is very low price. Surely it is only 100 rupees. Innaha, inna is harfu tawqeed wa nasbin. Ha is ismu inna mansoob. Rakhisatun is khabar inna. And jiddan is maf'ulun mutlaq and it is ism mansoob. Inna is harfu tawqeed wa nasbin. Ha is ismu inna mansoob. B is harfu jar. Miyati is ism majroor wa huwa mudaf. B miyati is jar majroor shubh jumla khabar inna. Rubiyatun is mudaf ilayh. And faqat, it is a commonly used noun but never used in Quran. Miyatun. In some countries it is written like this, Miyatun, without alif. We will use Miyatun because like this it is used in Quran. We do not pronounce the alif of Miyatun. Miyatun, 100, and alfun, 1,000. Since they are numbers, al-adad, they will have madud, things counted. Miyatu talib. Now, from miyatun it becomes miyatu because over here it is mudaf and talibun is mudaf ilayh. Miyatu talibatin for females, muannas. Miyatu will be used for both muzakkar and muannas. No change in it. Same for alfu talibin, alfu talibat. Alfu will be used for both muzakkar and muannas. Now I say miyatu rubiyatin. Miyatu is mudaf and rubiyatin is mudaf ilayh. Now I put harf jar B before mi'atu. B mi'ati rubiyatin. After harf jar, the sim becomes majroor, so mi'atu became mi'ati. Now there are two compounds. B mi'ati is jar majroor and mi'ati rubiyatin is mudaf mudaf lay. Mi'ati is playing double role, one of ism majroor and the other of mudaf. B is harf jar, mi'ati is ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and rubiyatin is mudaf lay. Al-Mudarris. Kam akhan laka ya Hashim? Akhan is tamiz. How many brothers do you have, O Hashim? Li salasatu ikhwatin. I have 3 brothers. Li is jar majroor, shubu jumla, khabar, muqaddam. Salasatu is mubtada muakkad, wa huwa mudaf. And ikhwatin is mudaf ilayh. Ikhwatin looks like muannas, but this is muzakkar. Al-Mudarris. Tullabun hum. Are they students? Hashim. La innahum tujjarun. No, surely they are merchants. La is harf jawab. Innahum is 2 words. Inna is harf tawqid wa nasbin. And hum is ismu inna mansoob. And tujjarun is khabar inna. Al-Mudarris. Kam ukhtan laka ya Hashim? Ukhtan is tamiz. How many sisters do you have, O Hashim? Li arba'u akhawatin. I have 4 sisters. Li is jar majroor, shubu jumla, khabar, muqaddam. Arba'u is mubtada muakhar, wa huwa mudaf. And khawatin is mudaf ilayh. Al-Mudarris. Afil Hindi hunna al-ana. Are they in India now, Hashim? La inna huna bi madinati al-munawwarati ma'a abi wa ummi. No, surely they are here in Medina al-Munawwara with my father and my mother. La is harf jawab. Inna hunna is 2 words. Inna is harf tawqid wa nasbin, and hunna is ismu inna mansoob. Huna is zarf makan. Bi madinati is jar majroor, shubu jumla, khabar inna. Al-Munawwarati is not. Ma is zarf makan. Abi is mudaf ilayh wa huwa mudaf. The kasra over here is because of this ma. Ya mutakallim is mudaf ilayh. Waw is harfu at. Ummi is ma'tufun ala abi. And ya mutakallim is mudaf ilayh. Al-Mudarris. Talibatun hunna. Are they all female students? Hashim. La inna hunna mudarrisatun bil madrasatil sanviyati. No, surely they are teacher of secondary school. La is harf jawab. Inna hunna is 2 words. Inna is harf tawqidin wa nasbin, and hunna is ismu inna mansoob. Mudarrisatun is khabru inna. Bil madrasati is jar majroor, and sanviyati is naat. Alhamdulillah, we finished our summary today. Quite interesting and a lot of things to remember. And please do write the exercises, definitely.